Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee cash on delivery temporarily disabled. Right? If you want to fix it up, make sure you just open your Shopee mobile application here. Once you open it up, there is very important part which I want to give you the information that sometimes in some of your order you will not get cash on delivery. So, service, because the reason could be that maybe that service locality where Shopee can deliver your product, it's not possible in a location. Maybe there could be a tornado in a location, and there could be a several reasons like this. But for example, that if I just go to my cart here, and here I have to select my product, whichever product I want to buy. So I will click on all, I will click on checkout. Now this is very important part, guys. Make sure you just add your address, very valid address, right? And here if you scroll a little bit down, here you will find this option, payment option. So if you go to the payment option, make sure you select on cash on delivery, because most of the time we have selected or activated any other payment methods. So if you want cash on delivery, if you want to enable it, then this is the only way to do it. So make sure you just enable it and you will find it in your product. And there are some percentage of cases products where seller doesn't provide cash on delivery. So it could be the reason the product which you want to buy, the seller doesn't want to do cash on delivery. This could be also reason. So make sure you just remind it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.